Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add payment methods in your Shopify store for 2025. Now, setting up the payments is one of the most important steps to start accepting your orders on Shopify. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on the admin panel of your Shopify account. This is going to be your Shopify dashboard. Over here in the left hand section in the bottom, you are going to see this settings icon. So you need to simply click on it. Then you will see this type of section in front of you where in the settings basically you are going to see all of the settings that you can do here in your Shopify store. So since we want to add the payment method, among the given options, you need to simply click on the payments section over here. In 2025, Shopify is going to offer Shopify payments as a default option. So if it is available in your country, you can just simply enable it instantly for credit cards, for Apple Pay and Google Pay. So here by default, PayPal will be selected. So you can activate the PayPal method over here. Then you need to click on the option of choose a provider on the top. Now you will need to see the options here, like we have PayPal, Stripe or authorized.net. You can also use the search bar here in the top in order to search for any of the payment methods which you want to basically add. So let's say I want to add Payoneer. So you need to simply click on it. Then click on the option of install in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, once you have done that, the payment method will be added here in your payments section. You will be able to basically see it and make a changes into it. After saving it, Shopify is going to let you run a test transaction on it. So always test before going live so that you are sure that your customers can pay with the method that you have added smoothly. So this way you will be able to add the payment methods of your choice in your Shopify store in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.